Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial using my curling wand, showing you guys how I achieved this look. I used 3 packs of heat-free hair, and the texture coil that I purchased is called For Kurls, and it's 20-inch. I used that in the back, and 2 packs of 24 and an 18-inch closure. So I've had this hair now for, I'll put that in the description box how long I've had it. So I've had this hair for a while now, and so far so good. Granted, I also don't wear it all the time. It's more of my vacation weekend, just want to make a statement here. But so far so good. And what I did to this hair first is blow dry it out, then go through it with a flat iron, and it was very time consuming. And I was actually gonna film it, but midway my camera died, and like that was the only conducive day. My battery died, and that was really the only conducive day for me to take the time to actually blow dry everything piece by piece, then go through with a flat iron. And by the time my battery would have charged, like, I just didn't have the patience. So there are a lot of tutorials out there. Feel free to watch them. Maybe in the future I'll film it, but going forward, I plan to, once this, gets messed up for whatever reason, or frizzy, that's the word. Once it gets frizzy, I plan to wear it back in its natural coily state and eventually buy hair that's blown out already, so I don't have to ever worry about doing that. And probably a little shorter, because I like the length, but it's good to have a little variety. So I am working on being more consistent, at least promising 1 video a week, which means I need to work on my planning and organization, but I know it's possible. And I just really want to share with you guys my love and passion for hair, jewelry, and I'm actually working on some videos so you guys can see like my behind the scenes process of me making my handmade collection, which is the Akeyno Collection, and also sketching designs and doing the final assembly for my fine jewelry line. So I know that was a lot, but stay with me, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Just for reference, this is what my hair looked like before I blow dried it and went through it with a flat iron, and I'll include a link to the video of how I made this wig in the description box. So first, you want to make sure that your braid pattern, whatever you decide, is flat. I typically go with the middle part because that's how I like my hair, and for me I just feel like it lays flatter. And I'm normally really lazy when I'm doing my hair because I just want to get it done, and I have a lot of hair. So as you can see, my braiding pattern, I am leaving my edges out for this look today. So I have 1, 2, 3 braids going down in this direction, and when I get to the end, and I start the next braid and I pull the end up and join it. So that's what I do here. And then in the back I have 2 French braids, and also in the back what I do is that I join everything. So as you can see with this braid, I just continued it all the way under like that. So, and when I'm going to put my wig on, I take these 2 hanging and I just crisscross them like that. You can sew it down if you want, but I'm all about flexibility. So bam, right. So now that your hair is braided down, if you want to leave your edges out, you can. I'm going to for this look. And so now I'm gonna put my wig on. So this wig I have here is my heat-free hair, and it's the For Kurls collection. 1 bundle of 20 and 2 bundles of 24. I put the 20-inch in the back, 24 layered on top, and then a 20-inch closure. And what I did is I blow dried this hair and went through it with a flat iron to smooth it out. I would have made a video. I attempted to, but it got really stressful. So there's a lot of tutorials out there. So here's my closure, here's my wig, and I'm gonna put it on. Bam. So just want to position your closure where you want it. So in the front, I typically bring it a little closer so that it blends easier. And depending on what I'm doing, I typically sew my wigs down at the edges, but I'm wearing this hair for the weekend and I'm not about that life. So what I normally do is I take these really big bobby pins. I get them from Sally's, and they have the big rubber, rubber tips. And I normally use 2 to 4, but typically 2 is enough because with the way that I made my wig, has an elastic band, so it's quite snug. So my strategy with bobby pinning my wigs is that first you want to let me zoom in close for you guys. So here is my leave out, my hair that I'm gonna leave out. So my rule is typically, if I'm using 4 bobby pins, I would bobby pin up here and angle it down and away, and then I bobby pin down here. But because I'm only using 2 bobby pins today, I am going to just bobby pin down here. So you want to make sure your closure is centered or where you want it to the best of your ability. Pull your hair back and take your bobby pin, stick it, so first you go back and then you angle it down, especially when you're up closer to the front because you don't want it sticking out of your wig. So I angle it up and then I push it down, and this also just gives it more security, so this ain't going nowhere. And you want to do the same thing on the side. This is my leave out. And the same process. Back and angled down. So, no one's snatching this wig off. So that is step 1. Now, I'm going to take my edges out. And I've already sprayed my edges, my leave out with heat protecting spray. So this is my natural hair right here. Oh. And I just decided to leave my edges out, of course, just for a more natural look. So bad. Now your girl ain't playing. So, and sometimes I leave my back out, but I don't plan on wearing my hair up, so I rather just let the hairs rest and not, you know, rub against the wig and get messed up. So now I'm gonna take my Chi Keratin Mist. I just like to use it as a leave-in, which is what it is. And I'm gonna lightly mist my hair and this baby. So I treat this hair like I would if my natural hair was this long. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair line by line and work my way up to the top. I'll probably do split everything into 5 lines, maybe 4, because I don't want it to be too puffy, but let's start. So this is the final curl, and it's not bad. I like it. I am adjusting to it. It seems like this side looks a little fuller. I'm adjusting to it, but I do like the fact that, you know, with me leaving my edges out, it just gives it more of a natural look. This is my hair, and we'll see how it works. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. Leave a comment, like and subscribe if you like what you see. But this is the final product, and I will leave the link. Sorry, I'm just so dramatic sometimes. But I will leave the link in my bio, in the description box, if you have any questions. So yeah, I'm feeling this. But I have to figure out how I'm gonna sleep with it without getting it messed up. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted. So thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. Bye.